Hey guys, it's Mike McKinstry from Bassquatch Hunter TV, and today we're going to do some cold water fishing for freshwater trout out of our kayaks. My name is Mike McKinstry. I travel the country discovering new locations with a fishing rod, a kayak, and a camera. Along my journey, I test out new products to find out what works best on and off the water. I meet with exciting new guests along the way to show different tips, techniques, and share their stories. I cover many different bodies of water, travel thousands of miles, and use plenty of different baits and techniques to hunt for my one huge mythical fish that I call the Bassquatch. Join me and experience my adventures as I bring you in on my passion for the outdoors and the sport of fishing. Always take care of the fish you catch, the water you touch, and the people you meet. And welcome to Bassquatch Hunter TV. So today we brought along some of our friends to help us catch some more fish today and hopefully get some better fish on camera. So let's hit the water. Notice that there is fish on the bottom of the water, some in the middle of the column, and even some near the surface in the shallower water. So we're throwing everything that we can. We're throwing a nice mix between live bait and artificial bait, trying to hit every part of the water column and get as many fish as we can. So the artificial bait I'm going to be throwing today is going to be the Trout Eye Jig Head with the golden eye from Z-Man Fishing Products, paired with the scented jerk shads in shiner color. And when you pair these things up with the Elastec material that wants to float automatically, this is going to do some damage and catch a lot of fish. Do you guys ever smell a bait and just know it's gonna catch a fish? Smells like I'm gonna catch a fish. Now the air temps are in the 30s, the water temp is really close to behind that. No matter how cold it is, or how bad the wind gets, or how bad the snow picks up, one thing I've noticed in the fishing community is we never know when to say it's enough. We never know when to stop. We never know when that last cast really is gonna be. So we're gonna keep out there hunting our trophy fish.
There you go, nice fish, man.
I'm gonna take the Trout Eyes jig head. I'll put it through the head of the fish. I'll slide that over the keeper. Sometimes you gotta massage it a little bit with the Elastec material. Then I'll put the hook right through the middle of the body and the belly. So that's what it'll look like when it's done. and it'll give it a really good motion when I'm letting this thing hit the bottom and bounce around. And again, this being Elastec material, it's gonna float and it's gonna attract some really good bites from the trout. So let's go throw this thing in the water and let's go catch some fish. That was a lot of fun on the water today. Everybody caught some fish. We had a great time. The cold weather can't really stop us. As long as we can float our kayaks, we're gonna try to catch some fish. So we had a great time. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Watch some other videos on this channel and let me know what you think. Would you guys fish in water this cold and weather this cold for some trout? Have you ever caught a trout in a kayak? And make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. So I'll talk to you guys soon. You guys have an awesome day. I'll see you on the water again.